All right. Yes. So what year is it now? Yes, that's a new year, 2026. That's great. And then what? Of course, we all have a new resolution. Yeah, New Year resolution. And that is what? To improve your English. All right? Well then, how can you improve it? You have to keep on practicing it. Yeah, if you never practice, you will never get any progress. Yeah, no pain without gain. Yeah, so you have to work hard first. And then, well, as you can see, I have plenty of books here. Uh, but then, I know you don't really want to learn English with these books anymore, right? You want to use your gadgets, yeah. But then, here at BEV, yeah, Blitar or Bekasi English Village, yeah,